E3 2021 is finally here. After being cancelled last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, E3 is back for 2021 in an all-digital format, kicking off on June 12th. Some big reveals have already been hit, although technically not a part of E3. Thursday's Summer Game Fest kickoff live event was packed with news, including a trailer and release date for the highly anticipated Elden Ring and the announcement of Death Stranding Director's Scott for PS5. And over the next few days, there still are big conferences from Ubisoft, Microsoft and Bethesda and Nintendo. Hey guys, I'm Sushant and I'm back again with some interesting tech news, so let's get started. For those who don't know what is E3, let me tell you, E3 is the world premier event for computer and video games and related products. The show owned and operated by the ESA, Entertainment Software Association, the USA Trade Association dedicated to serving the business and public affairs need of the companies developing and publishing interactive games for video game console, handheld devices, personal computers and the internet. The Entertainment Software Association ESA serves as the voice and advocate for the US video game industry. Its members are the innovators, creators, publishers and business leaders that are reimagining entertainment and transforming how we interact, learn, connect and play. The ECA works to expand and protect the dynamic marketplace for video games through innovative and engaging initiatives that showcase the positive impact of video games on people, culture and the economy. So basically E3 2021 is world's premier event for computer and video games. As E3 2021 gets ready to kick off on Saturday, June 12th, the official schedule has been revealed. In addition, fans can now register to be a part of the global 4-day virtual event that will feature digital presentation from major industry publishers such as Nintendo and Microsoft, panel discussion, celebratory appearance, exciting reveals and more. Fans can register at the E3 website to gain access to the E3 2021 online portal and app, a key hub for the duration of the show. Details around the schedule are available on the E3 website. I will provide you the link below in the description. So the program will be broadcast on June 12 Saturday, June 13 Sunday, June 14 Monday, June 15 Tuesday. Now let's discuss how can you watch the E3 2021 event. E3 2021 event will be airing its broadcast on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. For the presentation hosted by the individual companies, you may be able to find official streams on their social platforms. I will provide you the link below in the description box. Go and check there. So this was all about the E3 2021 event gaming conference. Please go through the E3 website to register yourself for the event. On that note, I have to say you goodbye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more information and update about the technology and the E3 event 2021.